Well, hello there, everybody. My name is Uncle Sam, and I am here to help you understand what it means to be trustworthy in the office. Now, before we get into that, some of you may be thinking, I think I know Uncle Sam, but I can't figure out where. Well, if you happen to have had Mr. Bailey last year for 7th grade U.S. history, well, that's where we might have met. I have been known to cover his classes from time to time. You also may be thinking, well, I didn't have Mr. Bailey, but I think like I know you now. Well, here's the thing. You may be confusing me with my far more, shall we say, well-known, my cousin there, Uncle Sam. Okay? Now, one thing you'll notice when we do get a chance to meet in person is that our hair is very different. Okay? Mine is much better than his. Anyways, during this period, we're going to be talking about being trustworthy in the office. Now, throughout your day today, as you've been learning what it means to be a tiger, you've learned about being trustworthy when it comes to being in the hallway or going to lunch or in the restroom or taking care of your binder. Well, now we're going to focus on what it means about going to the office or being in the office. Now, you will be reporting to the office with a pass and a purpose. Okay? The office is not just a place where you say you need to go because maybe you just don't want to be in class. That's not how this works. You're only allowed to enter the office with a pass or when directed to come for something specific or special circumstances. Okay? So again, we want to make sure we're being trustworthy. Okay? We don't want to be lying about things just to try and get an office pass. Now, when you're in the office too, you want to make sure you're being trustworthy and you're there, whatever your purpose is, you handle your business and be on that purpose, right? You don't go and distracting others. Just do what you are supposed to be doing. Now, as with your previous class period, you do have a question to answer on this. And so what I'm going to be wanting you to answer during this period is that one right there you see on your screen. Do you think that the office will be as helpful if all students could come and go whenever they wanted or needed to? Could you just think about for a moment what happens if every student at Tomlin was trying to get in and out of that office whenever they wanted to? Do you think the office is going to be real helpful? You figure that out and go ahead and write what you think. And I hope you have a good rest of your day at Tomlin.